Hello and welcome to Canada Coffee Espresso Machines. Today we're testing this Alex Duetto machine, and you can see we have good steam pressure, nice and hot, and hot water is not working. Okay, so the hot water is not working, and then let's go ahead and pull a shot. And you see, we get 10 bar pressure, so we have good strong pressure. It's a little fast. I probably should have got a little more coffee in there, but it's working well nonetheless with the shot. And I'm going to go ahead and figure out what's going on with the steam one. So thank you for watching with Canada Coffee. Please like our videos below. If you'd like to see more videos like this, please subscribe to our channel. Thank you.